Good morning, children. So, in the previous videos, we have already finished with the chapter. We have done everything we have done in the last chapter. We have already finished with the revisions, with tables. We have revised. Today, also, we are going to do the revision only of addition. Okay, let us see. Last chapter we have finished with numbers up to 1000 revision. Okay, now today we will be doing addition chapter revision. You can see the worksheet number 6 on your screen. So first question is fill in the blanks. Second is find the sum, and at the back of the worksheet you have word problems. Okay, so let us begin with first page, that is fill in the blanks. 25 plus 0 will always give you 25. Anything when added to a number gives the number itself. Then dash plus 39 is equals to 40. Obviously, what you will add in 39? You will add 1 in 39 to give you 40. Then 14 plus 5 will be equal, 14 plus 5 is equals to. See, only the change of the position of the numbers have taken place. Here 14 plus 5 and here it will be equal to 5 plus 14. Nothing else, and that will be equal to total 19. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Now 82 plus 6 is equals to 88. Find the sum. It's better you do it on your own. I have solved it and I have given you, but for your practice and revision you have to solve it on your own. Okay, now the first sum is very simple. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 3 plus 5 is 8. B1. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. So you will carry 10 in the tens place and 3 will be there. Now you will add 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. That is 63 is the answer. Now the second one, C1. 8 plus 5 is again 13. Again you will carry 1. That is 10. Sorry, not 1. And 3 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And plus 1 is 6. That is again the answer is 36. Now D1. 6 plus 7 is again 13. Again you will carry tens. 3 will be in ones place. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. Children, remember you have to add the carried number also. Many a times you forget to add those numbers and the answer you get is wrong. So keep in mind, whenever you are carrying any number, maybe 1, 2, 3, whatever number you are carrying, that number has to be added in the tens place. Now here, E1, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8. 8 fingers out, 14 in your mind. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So 2 will be carried and 2 will be written in ones place. Now adding all the tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And here 2 we have carried. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now the last one. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Again you have to do it. You have to keep the bigger number in your mind. Take out the number which is smaller in your fingers and then add it. Okay. So 1 will be, tens will be carried in the tens place and here 8. 4 plus 3 is 7 and then 1 is 8. So the answer is 88. Now the word problems. The first word problem. A doctor saw 36 patients in his clinic one day and 32 patients the next day. How many patients did he see on both the days? Here you have to simply add both the days. So 36 plus 32. Always the bigger number will be written up and smaller number will be written down. Okay. So the answer is 68. He saw 68 patients on both the days. Here you have to write the answer. Word problems and answer has to be written. It is compulsory to write the answer. Now, the next sum. During 1 week, the school librarian issued 57 books to the students of class 2nd A and 28 books to the students of class 2nd B. How many books did she issue in all? Again, simply add 57 plus 28. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carried. 10's carried and 5 will be written in the ones place. 5 plus 2 is 7 and plus 1 is 8. So 85. She issued 85 books in all. Again, these word problems you will solve it on your own. This is just for the reference. Don't just see and copy it down. Okay? Maths, you can do it on your own. Now the last one. There are 53 mango trees, 16 guava trees and 9 apple trees in a garden. How many trees are there in the garden? Now 53 plus 14 and here only 9, so it will be written in ones place. Now simply add. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 10's carried and 8 will be written here. 5 plus 1 is 6 and plus 1 is 7. So total is there are 78 trees in the garden. So children, here we finish this worksheet and I hope you do this worksheet on your own or